Alright, so let's get started.
I'm learning. I'm learning from ChatGPT.
Nice. ChatGPT, teach me how to steal a car.
Yeah. How do I download a car?
From Util's import car.
Yeah.
First, you get an npm install vehicles. Then, if you want to host your car online as a quick framework, you can always do npx quick create and then choose your car name.
Yeah.
Okay.
How bizarre. I always end up doing it this way, and I fucking regret it. Not regret it, but like, fine. Components. It always ends up being easier. Sure.
All right. So I'm trying to see what YOLO V8 looks like. And I want to do YOLO V8 skeleton. Okay. Okay, I can do instance segmentation, pose estimation. YOLO V8 pose estimation. Okay. Alright, so we'll do the YOLO V7 pose estimation.
Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we will run official YOLO V7 pose estimation. The tutorial will cover setting up the environment, and we will also make some modifications in the code to show FPS and remove bounding boxes around the detected persons. The updated code with all the modifications will be available for our Patreon supporters. Link is in the description. Let's get started. First of all, we need to install prereqs and set up YOLO V7 pose estimation environment. Let's start by installing Visual C++.
So this YOLO tutorial is using Microsoft C++ build tools. Holy shit. I am glad that I paid for the Patreon thing, because I have no interest in building a fucking NSVC app.
Jeez.
We'll see. I think it probably is in Python. Now that I'm thinking about it. So this is getting the VCPP installer ready. Let's see.
Plus build tools for Windows. If you do not install it, you will get this error during the installation. On Linux, you do not need to install it. Head to the official Microsoft website and download the setup. Run the downloaded file. It is going to take a while before you can select components to install. Just select desktop development with C++ and then click on install. During the installation process, Selected components will be downloaded and installed. Once done, you can choose to restart the computer if you like. I will proceed without restarting. Next, head to the official YOLO V7 repository for pose estimation. It is a different branch than YOLO V7 object detection.
Okay.
I was expecting an object.
One. Just
Mm. Mhm. Okay. I mean, at this point, I'm just gonna check the main code. Can I not? What the hell is happening? It will be 7. Public repository. Oh my god. Oops. Okay. Okay, then let's see. Yeah. Okay.
Just download the repository as a zip file and extract it. I like to move the extracted files
Fine.
to the main folder.
Fine.
Here we have all the files and folders.
Translate to the fucking object.
Now open Anaconda prompt and head to the extracted repository. Let's create a separate virtual environment.
Anaconda PowerShell prompt. I have and probably will never understand the deal with the Anaconda prompt.
I think
Fucking
I've
LS
reused
doesn't
Anaconda.
work. It's just like, what is this? Is it Dota? Like, yeah, okay, so it's on top of PowerShell. Okay, that makes sense considering it literally said that it's, you know, Anaconda shell for power, or whatever, Anaconda prompt for PowerShell.
This
So this does
Anaconda
make
don't.
sense. Yes, exactly.
This
So this does make
Anaconda don't.
sense. Yes, this Anaconda does. Highlight there. Okay, and now what am I doing? Conda create. Yeah, I mean, I tried to stay away from Conda and instead either use what's it called? Like I try to use either Pyend or Docker, but sometimes you're working with somebody else's project and they just are using Anaconda.
Yeah.
Environment with command conda create -n YOLO v7 underscore pose, which is the environment name, and Python equals 3.9. Hit enter, then type y,
Hey!
hit enter once again, and wait for the process to finish.
That's fucking
Once-
sick!
You get it, Zimmer?
Look, I got a giant alliance icon. What do you think?
Let me look. Hold on. Okay, this is my stream. 1 second. Well, I stopped streaming. That's not what I wanted to do. Okay. Nice. Yeah. Maybe,
Am I
it's a
streaming?
little
Can you see it?
big. but looks good. Man, I can really hear the noise I was
Can you see
talking
the
about.
alliance icon?
Oh yeah, I see it. Loud and clear.
I can't hear you if you're saying something.
God damn it. Test, 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 test.
Oh.
Test, test, test.
Heard something.
Yeah, okay, so this is my webcam microphone. Like, is my audio interface broken? What the fuck, man? Okay. Jesus
It just
Christ.
suddenly went away as soon as you just ended the
Yeah,
stream.
because
So I don't know.
tried to. Oh my god. What the fuck?
What the fuck?
Seriously, it's just all so silly. Alright, let's see. What are we. Oh my god, is it this stupid thing where it won't take channel 4? Probably. Let's see. Okay. How about this? Yeah, it takes this
Oh,
loop
you're
back.
back.
Yeah, so this is the
Yeah.
loop back audio. Hopefully
Yeah.
it's not too cicada-y.
No, there's no cicada.
Okay, well,
Cicadas.
that's a very good sign.
Yeah.
How are we on amplitude, since I can turn this however loud or quiet I want, and it has no effect
Really
on
good
anything?
so far.
Okay, sweet.
No, really good.
Alright, good. Alright.
Done. Let's activate the environment by command conda activate YOLO v7 underscore pose. The base environment is now changed to YOLO v7 underscore pose. From the cloned repository, let's open requirements.txt file and just delete torch and torch vision. If you like to install PyTorch GPU later on. Otherwise, leave it as it is, but you will be using CPU for
Good.
inferencing in this
Good.
case. I have GPU, so I am going to delete it and save the file. Just delete the cloned repository. Let's open requirements.
Look, yay.
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 Okay, requirements.txt, which is the conda file. I'm very confused as to how this is going to run with GPU acceleration without PyTorch.
.txt file and just delete torch and torch vision if you like to install PyTorch GPU later on. Otherwise, leave it as it is.
Sounds
but you will be
legit.
using CPU for inferencing in this case. I have GPU, so I am going to delete it and save the file.
Okay.
Now let's run the command pip install -r requirements.txt. Wait for all the installations to finish. Now we go to the official PyTorch website, click on previous PyTorch versions and scroll down to version 1.11.
Oh, whoops. Okay.
You said my system sounds don't come through my stream, right?
I haven't heard any. But it looks good.
It just is.
Man, I can really hear the noise I was
Can you see
talking
the
about.
alliance icon?
Yeah, I see the alliance. Oh yeah, I see Horde and alliance now. Oh my god, PyTorch 2.0 is now available. Crazy. It's been so long.
Is that a
And
good thing?
I don't know. I mean, I haven't seen it. Like, it never even occurred to me that 2.0 would ever release. I've just been seeing 1.x for years.
Copy the pip command.
Yeah, like Python 2.
Yeah, I guess, yeah,
Like
like
Python
Python's
2
4,
plus.
I don't expect to come out. Okay. Okay, well, let's see. Alright, so I'm gonna change some audio settings. Yeah, studio
Hopefully
lines.
I'll
Oh yeah, I see
stop
we're
hearing
hearing these
these
artifacts.
Ooh, what's going on here? What the fuck?
Because I still hear the artifacts when
Ooh,
the
what's
audio
going on
is
here?
low.
The fuck?
Because I still hear the artifacts when
Ooh,
the
what's
audio
going on
is
here?
low.
The fuck? Wait a gosh
I
darn
still hear the
minute. Why am I
artifacts. Oh, I
all
just
my
have to get
servers
really
gone?
far away.
What's going on here?
Low. Oh, we're gonna have to do we're gonna have to do that test again, except I am gonna have to, do it with different volume settings, because for whatever reason, you can't hear the, like, shivering sound, but it's very evident on OBS.
Oh. Huh. Okay.
That's so weird. God, it's so bad. And it happens until really, really high gains. On the plus side, I guess I'll have my microphone really far away from me,
Mm-hmm.
so it gives me more space at my desk. And I guess if this sounds okay, to you, then, you know, it'll theoretically sound okay to a program. That's fine.
Yeah, which part are you mean? That just you haven't changed so far.
Oh, yeah, well, I made my microphone about, 1.5 times more. I turned up the gain like 50%, and then I moved the microphone like a foot away.
Oh, okay. Oh, okay.
50%, and then I moved the microphone like a foot away. Wow,
Okay.
it sounds so bad through the voice changer.
Hmm.
What's alright? So I'm just listening to my audio back. Yeah, it sounds really bad. Huh.
This is very frustrating to me that I made a seemingly innocuous change and now my fucking drop down is just broken.
I made an innocuous change, and now everything is broken.
Yep.
Classic.
Such classic.
Classic software engineering.
Oh, okay, weird. Something goes wrong when it's tiny size. Okay. Why don't I do this? I'll just test them over here. Okay, look at that.
Alright, so let's see how this sounds. Sounds pretty pretty shitty. And this is clearly an Aussie accent voice. Wow. Pretty shit. And then that is. Yeah, it just sounded really far away. which is weird because usually it has sounding fine. Let's see what I sound like to me. I don't know. Let's see. That's. Okay, that seems fine. The loop back out of it is fine. Yeah, just getting this like hopping with speckly artifacts in the voice output, which is new. That's a new kind of problem. So that's good. So that, one reason, I guess. Oh, I think it's a overgain issue. Yeah, so let's see what happens if I get it to 200%. Yeah, then we get a different kind of artifacting. Let's see. What could be causing this new and interesting problem?
New and spectacular ways of failing.
Yeah. Spectacular new and interesting, fantastic ways to fail. Well, I guess this is better. It's just the crackliness. The crackling is really annoying.
I'm gonna try a different voice and see what that's like. Let's see.
Is it still crackly with a different voice? Yes. Ooh, this voice is terrible. And yeah, there's still crackling. And it's speech jamming me because it's way, way, way louder. Okay, so I'm not speech jammed as much when the voices are quiet.
Yeah.
Wow, the other voice is
Really good, damn. Apart from it sounding far away.
it is very tolerable.
Yeah.
Alright, does this one have crackling? Yes, they all have crackling.
Yeah,
I
they all
wonder-
have crackling.
I can't tell if it's an issue on my side or on the like audio interface on the machine sort of side. This voice is actually pretty tolerable to me. And there isn't crackling at this moment, at least. Alright, we'll move forward with this one. I know you're not hearing these voices, by the way.
Yeah.
Okay.
No, I think the crackling, I think, is an artifact of whatever software is applying the voices. I don't know if it's actually, because we've run into different types of crackling, and one of them was like pipeline related. I don't think this one is pipeline related.
But were you hearing the actual YouTube stream?
No. I'm just basing my opinion on when we were doing the voice tests and rating.
Were you hearing any crackling back then?
Yeah. Well,
Okay.
artifacting is the way I would put it. I don't know. Maybe I just interpreted crackling as artifacting.
There's a very specific crackling sound. It's so I guess there's multiple kinds of artifacts, right?
Yeah.
There's like
I would refer to it as artifacting and not an actual crackling.
okay, yeah, so you and I think both mean digital artifacting, like like a weird, like digital effect. This literally sounds like a analog microphone crackle.
Got it. Yeah, I'm not referring to any cracks, so.
So yeah, we've got a new and interesting problem. Wonderful. Wonderful.
New and
Problem.
not referring to any cracks.
Like like a weird, like digital effect. This literally sounds like a analog microphone crackle.
Got it. Yeah, I'm not referring to any cracks, so.
So yeah, we've got a new and interesting problem. Oh my god, this sounds so bad. I just don't know what. I've so trouble with this off stream. Holy shit. Sounds so bad. Okay, I'm gonna mute myself on Discord for a little bit to troubleshoot this. I'll be back in a sec. Okay. Alright, so listen to the YouTube playback. And let's see what it sounds like when I'm speaking at a normal volume. So, has anyone really been farting and has decided to use it into wants to look more like? And let's see what it sounds like when I'm speaking at a normal volume. So, has anyone really been farting and has decided to use it into wants to look more like? Okay, I can't use YouTube. Has anyone really been farting and has decided to use it in what care wants to do look more like? Has anyone really been farting and has decided to use it in care wants to do look more like? We'll do it through OBS since that has more delay. Ooh, is it the output, hitting a ceiling? It might actually be the output hitting a ceiling. No, wait. Okay, let's see. Okay, so we probably want the microphone really close to me. I mean, that'll only really help with like whispering, and then I can always just come into the microphone and do this. Oh my god, that's basically what I sound like anyway, because whispering doesn't have any like, tone to it. Okay. Alright, so things are sounding a little bit better already, and then the question is how do I get rid of this crackling? And let's see what it sounds like hitting a ceiling. Okay, so I'm just gonna get rid of this flipping-like behavior. So I think that the output of the computer might be getting maxed. Like, so this is the host machine at a lower volume. So I'm not hearing, no, I am hearing some crackling. It's like speckly. Okay, I hear more artifacts through OBS than I'm hearing through the mic. Is there something up with OBS? Does OBS not like when you're in the red? Okay, so this entire speech is not going to be hitting the red. Can I just not hear these terrible artifacts while I'm speaking? Okay, artifacts. Oh, they are there. Oh, they're really bad. Okay. Alright.
Waiting for YouTube and
Waiting for YouTube.
okay, so I'm turning my volume.
Okay, so I'm turning my volume way up, and it will speech jam me, but... Good.
Did you say something to me? I'm still.
Did you say something to me? I'm still muted.
All right, no, sweet, we're good.
Alright, now see, we're good.
Okay.
Okay. Okay. Let's see. Artifacting. All over the place. Okay, so we're down the VNC. So the crackling is kinda gone.
I think there's way more crackling.
So I think there's way more crackling up here.
Might just be that the crackling is
Might just be that the crackling is louder.
That's not actually.
Yeah, I think that's not actually new crackling.
So we're trying this guy.
So
No,
we're
there's
trying this day.
actual
Yeah, no,
crackling
there's
on this one.
actual
There's
crackling on
actual
this one.
crackling on this
There's
one.
actual
Going
crackling
down
on
to
this
the
one.
Maccas.
Going down to the Maccas.
Going down to the Maccas. Going down to the Maccas.
Going down to the
still
Maccas. Okay, still
Just
artifacting.
talking a little quietly so
Just
that I
talking a
don't
little quietly so that I don't overwhelm the. It sounds like they're underwater, or like.
But I'm
But I'm pretty
pretty far away from the
far
microphone
away
now,
from the
and it
microphone
sounds
now, and
bad.
it sounds
Like,
act
definitely bad.
weird.
Okay,
Like
let's
definitely
try
bad.
this.
Okay, let's try this.
Okay, so I'm gonna just
Okay, so I'm
modify
gonna
the
just
input volume.
modify the
Okay, so
volume.
this is me
Okay,
super
so
close to
this
the
is
microphone.
me super close to the microphone. Like,
and it will not be good
and it
for
will
a
not be
production
good
environment, but it
for a
sounds
production
way
environment,
better.
but it sounds way
Okay,
better.
and that's probably just
and
because my voice
that's
is
probably
much more
just because
clear
my voice
and
is much more
differentiated
clear
from
and much more
background
differentiated
noise.
from background noise.
Let's see. So this.
Let's see.
In this
So
scenario,
this in this scenario
is like rampant.
is like rampant.
Yeah. Why the fuck does it?
Yeah, why the
play
fuck does
that?
it
It's so goddamn
play
loud.
that? It's so goddamn loud.
Just don't output anything.
Just
when
don't
the program
output
is at
anything when the
1,000
program is at
RTF.
1,000
Like, why is that
RTF.
a problem?
Like, why is that a
happening?
problem? Why is this happening?
Okay, well. Time
Okay,
to
well,
record. Okay.
time to record. Okay.
When the RTF hits 1,000,
When the RTF hits
it
1,000, it makes this
slash-
horrible, like, crackling slash.
Test, 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 test,
Test, test, test, test, test, test, test, test, test, test, test.
Is it just that the program isn't
Is
outputting
it just that the program isn't
anything?
outputting
I mean,
anything?
It's really hard to
I mean,
say.
it's really hard to
I guess I can
say.
go to the volume
Okay, I guess then you can
mixer.
go to the volume mixer.
No, okay, so we mute Koei and we get nothing. And when I'm talking, it's much
And when I'm
louder
talking,
than
it's
that.
much louder than that.
Weird. Very weird.
Weird.
Why-
Very
why would it-
weird.
Why would it
Why?
do this to me?
Why would it? Why would it
is
do this to
doing
me?
this?
Why is it?
This is totally unnecessary.
This is totally unnecessary.
Is it trying to imitate room
Is
tone?
it trying to
Is that the
imitate
issue?
room
It's trying
tone?
to, like,
Is that the issue?
get room
It's trying to
tone
like
in there
get room tone
to
in
make it
there
sound more realistic.
to make it sound more
'Cause
realistic.
I just don't understand why
Because
it's
I
outputting
just don't
anything
understand
at
why
all.
it's outputting anything at all.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So if I just go
So if I just go shh
while I'm not talking, it
while I'm not
makes it
talking,
not
it makes it not
output fucking noise.
output
Ah.
fucking noise. Ah!
I'm not gonna try and modify the,
I'm not gonna
modify
try
the
Fun-
program.
modify the
That's
program.
really
That's
really
really,
annoying.
it's really annoying. Really, really annoying.
Really.
Really.
Fuck me, man. won't making a feature
I
request.
won't making a feature
I
request.
don't want to stream like this.
I don't want to stream like this.